Black widow spider. Black widow spiders are not insects. They are arachnids. Since they are arachnids, they only have two body parts, unlike insects which have three. They also have 8 legs. They do not have antennae. Black widow spiders are carnivores. They eat insects that they catch in their web, such as flies, grasshoppers, beetles, and mosquitoes. The black widow senses vibrations to the web. When an unlucky intruder gets trapped, the black widow injects its victim with poison, paralyzing and liquefying. That means turning them from a solid to a liquid. The black widow then sucks and slurps their insides. Black widow spiders undergo incomplete metamorphosis. They have a hard exoskeleton composed of chitin and protein. Black widow spiders have 8 eyes arranged in 2 rows of 4, and their vision is quite poor. They have an opening on their body called a spiracle that allows them to breathe oxygen.